How to kick someone out of your Roblox private server. The first things first is open up your Roblox application via the client or on the web version. Of course, log in into your Roblox account. Now, there's actually two ways of doing this. The first method of doing this is via opening up the specific experience and then just simply blocking out members who joined your server. But take note that you won't be able to configure anything else if you're not the creator or if you're not the owner of that server. The other thing that you can do is via accessing private server configuration settings. So all I have to do again is just go into your Roblox specific experience where you have created your private server, and then all you have to do from there is just simply access configuration. So if this is your current experience, you just have to scroll down and then just simply click on the three dots, which will take you to more and go into configure. And you will now then be redirected to the creator settings of that current server. So say for example, you would like to block someone out from here. Simply click that specific person and then just go with the block feature. So that is how you kick someone out your Roblox private server.